everyone, welcome to IS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Indian Air Force aerial firefighting operations in Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. The Indian Air Force is undertaking sustained aerial firefighting operations in the northeastern region of the country, responding to active forest fires in Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. At Vellore, Arunachal Pradesh, IAF helicopters have successfully extinguished a major wildfire. A total of 1,39,800 liters of water was dropped during multiple sorties to contain and eliminate the blaze in the affected area. Simultaneously, firefighting operations are continued over Zuko Valley in Nagaland. The IAF Mi-17V5 helicopters are undertaking water bucketing missions, drawing water from Padumpokri Lake, Dimapur, to combat fires in the vicinity of Japfu Peak. The operations are being conducted under challenging conditions, including steep terrain, poor visibility, and rarefied air at high altitudes. Despite these constraints, IAF crews continue to carry out missions with precision and commitment in close coordination with civil administration and Indian Army. The Indian Air Force remains Indian Air Force, and the local civil administration remain completely committed to using residual flames, preventing flare-ups and securing affected areas, and is dedicated to providing all necessary assistance to civil authorities in safeguarding lives, property and the environment. So the next topic for the day is NHAI to develop first of its kind B corridors along with the national highways. Reiterating its commitment to sustainable infrastructure development, NHAI has announced a first of its kind initiative to develop pollinator or bee corridors along national highways, marking a shift from ornamental to ecological plantations. The bee corridor will have a continuous linear stretch of bee-friendly vegetation comprising flowering trees and plants that will ensure the availability of nectar and pollen throughout the year. Plantations along national highways present a unique opportunity to support pollinator conservation. The initiative will help reduce the increasing ecological stress faced by honeybees and other pollinators, which is adversely impacting pollination services, agricultural and horticulture productivity, and overall ecological balance. NHAI will align its plantation activities towards the creation of dedicated pollinator or bee corridors. The unique initiative will include a mix of trees, shrubs, herbs, and grasses that will retain wild elements of planting nectar and pollen-rich species, allowing flowering weeds to bloom along with dead wood and hollow trunks that are beneficial to pollinators. Selection of plant species will ensure staggered flowering across different seasons to maintain a near continuous blooming cycle throughout the year. Native species of trees and plants including neem, karanj, mahua, palash, bottlebrush, jammun and cerise will be planted along national highways depending upon agroclimatic conditions and local sustainability. Such corridors will be developed along national highway stretches and other vacant NHAI land parcels. NHAI field officers across the country will identify national highway sections where clusters of flowering trees can be planted at intervals of approximately 500 meters to 1 kilometer, corresponding to the average foraging distance of honeybees and wild bees. NHAI field officers will also plant and develop at least 3 pollinator corridors during 2026-27. NHAI plans to plant around 40 lakh trees along a national highways during the year 2026-27, around 60% of which will be planted under the Bee Corridor initiative. The unique Bee Corridor initiative will help enhance ecological outcomes, contribute to pollinator conservation, and further strengthen NHAI's commitment to environmentally responsible national highway development. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.